Today we shall take a second example uh, for preparing a trial balance. So here we have a question. Mr. A started business on 1st of October 2025 by investing rupees 5 lakhs through checks. On 3rd of October, he purchased furniture for office worth rupees 50,000. Now let us pass the journal entry for the first transaction. That is, Mr. A started a business on 1st of October by investing rupees 5 lakhs. Over here you can see the journal entry is bank account debit to capital account 5 lakhs. We have received the funds in the bank and hence it is bank account debit to capital account. The second transaction is on 3rd of October, he purchased furniture for office worth rupees 50,000. Here the journal entry would be office furniture account debit to bank 50,000. The third transaction is on 4th of October, he paid property taxes of rupees 5,000 to the municipal corporation. Here, as property taxes is an expense, our nominal account states that debit all expenses and losses. Hence, we are debiting property tax and crediting bank. There is an outflow through the banks, and this is known as narration. We are writing being property tax paid to municipal corporation. The next is on 4th of October, he purchased an air conditioner for rupees 20,000. So now what could be the journal entry? Let us see. The journal entry is air conditioner account debit to bank, being air conditioner purchased. The next entry is on 4th of October, he purchased goods worth rupees 10 lakhs from XY company on credit. Now, we have purchased goods worth rupees 10 lakhs from XY and company. So over here, it would be goods account debit 10 lakhs to XY and company. Why are we writing XY and company? In real account, we have read that debit the receiver and credit the giver. Here Mr. XY and company is the giver, hence it is credited. On 5th of October, he sold goods worth rupees 5 lakhs to Mr. BC and company on credit. So what is the transaction here? He sold goods. So sales is a nominal account transaction and BC and company reflects the real account personal account transaction. So what is it? We have BC and company account debit to sales account. As in the personal account we have read that debit the receiver. Hence BC and company is the receiver, hence it is debited, and to sales. In the nominal account it is written as debit all expenses and losses and credit all gains and incomes. So sales is a procedure of income, hence it is credited. Next, he paid XY company rupees 2 lakhs wide check. So over here it is XY company account debit to bank. On 8th, he sold goods worth rupees 3 lakhs to Mr. AK and received an RTGS for rupees 1,50,000 and check for rupees 1,50,000. Hence, both the receipts are through bank. Hence, it is bank account debit to sales rupees 3 lakhs. Next, on 10th of October, he paid XY company rupees 3 lakhs white check. So over here, XY company account debit to bank rupees 3 lakhs each. On 13th, he received 5 lakhs from BC and company through RTGS. Hence, bank account debit to BC and company 5 lakhs. On 15th, he withdrew cash rupees 80,000. So, cash account debit to bank 80,000. On 18th, he sold goods worth rupees 2 lakhs to BC and company on credit. So again, sales BC and company account debit to sales 2 lakhs each. Next is on 25th, he paid XY company rupees 5 lakhs. So now XY account debit to bank. On 28th, he paid cash for what? Electricity bill 1000, staff salary 10,000, printing and stationery 700, tea and snacks 500. So the journal entries would be electric account debit to cash 1000, staff salary account debit to cash 10,000, printing and stationery account debit to cash 700, and tea and snacks account debit to cash 500. We have completed the journal entries. Now let's proceed to the ledger posting. We have created all the ledgers: bank account, capital account, office furniture, property tax, air conditioner, goods account, XY company account, BC and company account, sales account, cash account, electric account, staff salary account, printing and stationery, and tea and snacks. So now let's post each and every transaction. Bank account to capital account. So in bank it is to capital account 5 lakhs, and in capital it is by bank 5 lakhs. Second is office furniture account debit to bank. So in the bank it is by office furniture 50,000, and in office furniture you will have to bank 50,000. Next is property tax account debit to bank. So what would be the posting? In property tax it would be to bank over here. In property tax it would be to bank, and in bank it would be by property tax 5,000. Next is air conditioner account debit to bank 20,000. So bank, in the bank we have by air conditioner 20,000, and in air conditioner it is to bank 20,000 over here. Next, continue. Let's see if anyone can do it. Goods account debit to XY and company. So we have created a ledger called goods account and XY and company. So in goods account it is to XY and company, and in XY and company it is buy goods account. Next is BC and company. We have sold goods to BC and company. So another two ledgers, BC and company and sales. So you can find the ledger here, BC and company and sales. So in BC and company it would come to sales, and in sales it would come by BC and company. Next is XY and company account debit to bank. So over here XY and company, it is to bank, and in the bank we write it as by XY and company. Clear? The next is bank account debit to sales. In bank it is to sales 3 lakhs, and in sales we have by bank 3 lakhs. Next is XY and company account debit to bank 3 lakhs. So again the same, XY in bank we have by XY, and in XY we have to bank 3 lakhs. The next is bank account debit to BC and company 5 lakhs. So in bank account we can see to BC and company 5 lakhs, and in BC and company we can see it is by bank 5 lakhs. Next is cash withdrawn rupees 80,000. So cash account debit to bank, again over here by cash 80,000, and in cash we will create a new ledger, it is to bank 80,000. What was the next journal entry? The next journal entry is BC and company account debit to sales. So in BC and company we have to sales 2 lakhs, and in sales we have by BC and company 2 lakhs. Now what is the next journal entry? XY company account debit to bank 5 lakhs. Over here we have XY company account to bank 5 lakhs, and in bank we have by XY 5 lakhs. The next is electric bill 1,000 paid through cash. Over here it is electric account 1,000 by electric, and in electric it is to cash 1,000. Next is staff salary 10,000. So in cash account we have by staff salary 10,000, and in staff salary we have to cash 10,000. Next is printing and stationery 700 and tea and snacks 500. So in cash it is printing and stationery 700, tea and snacks 500. And now we will post it to the respective ledger accounts. After doing so, we will tally the ledger accounts, close the ledger accounts, and bring the balances. So you can do it, you can tally the same and bring the balances here. So once you bring all your balances, this trial balance is tallied. So when the trial balance is tallied, it means your ledger posting is correct and you have posted all the transactions properly from the journal entries to your ledger account. So I have given a sum, please note it down, and if possible, please prepare the trial balance after passing journal entries and proper ledger posting so that you can check in my next video if you have done it right or wrong.